Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is another option for using the journal. I always like to plan the Christmas presents that I'm giving so I can keep track of what I've already got and what I need to get. I'm going to use the Merry Moose set and I'm going to use the Stylish Shapes dies. And this is what I'm going to do. I am going to use the dies to trace my shapes. So I've just got a black pen, and I have to move my finger out of the way. But I'm just going to come in and create the shapes. So you can do as many shapes as you need to. Just going to come in and around like this, and then I'm going to move my finger and come in like this, and then move my finger again and join it up. So using the shapes as your stencils, if you have bullet journal stencils, you absolutely can use those. This is just kind of using what I've got from my Stampin' Up! Stash here. So there we've got shapes, and you can go around. If you are artistic in any way, you can go in and you can do little doodads in the corner. I have zero ability if it doesn't involve a stamp. So honestly, it's I really admire people who can actually go ahead and just pick up a pen and just draw. So I'm putting, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in that banner there. And I'm going to put a Christmas tree on here. You can decorate this up if you've got stickers, if you've got other things that you want to put in. I'm going to pop a Christmas tree in here, and see, finger in the ink pad. Of course, we've got the hand in the ink pad because it wouldn't be a video if I didn't have my finger in the ink. So you can decorate up the page however you like. I might put another tree in just because I can. And maybe we'll put another tree down here, just like that. Just decorate that page up as much as you want to. I'm going to come in with the real red again, and I'm going to use the star, and I'm going to put a little red star on the top of each of the trees. Just have fun and play. So there we go. The other thing that I can do too is use the presents, the little stack of presents, and I can pop those in. I can put a stack in the bottom right like that, and I can put some up here like this under this tree if I want to. I can do whatever I like, and so can you. So you can just keep popping presents in wherever you like. There we go. I'm thinking that if you wanted to decorate with words and you've got the best family ever, you could put mom in one of the squares, dad in one of the squares. You can make as many squares as you need to, and just go ahead and create this as your Christmas planning page. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've liked this little series of videos on other ways to decorate the journal. And I hope, Carol, that I have met your request. So let's create together again soon.